So I tested 2 hyaluronic acid face serums and one of them is lying to you. So today we are comparing Face Fact Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum and Estelin Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum. And I'm not just talking vibes, I'm breaking down their ingredients to actually tell you who should be using each one, because these two products, in as much as they are similar products, they work differently. And at the end of this video, you are going to find out who should be using which one based on your skin type and based on your skin issues, because these two, they are not the same. Now, this is Face Fact Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum. Now, the key ingredients that this particular face serum contains are glycerin, sodium hyaluronate, it has betaine, it has arginine, it also has hydroxyacetophenone. I'm going to explain what these things do to your skin as we go. Now, based on this ingredients list that I just read out to you, this particular one has a richer, more skin supporting formula. Okay, so let's talk about Estelin. Now, the key ingredients in this Estelin hyaluronic acid face serum, this has multiple forms of hyaluronic acid. It also has glycerin, it also has allantoin. It also has an ingredient called saccharide isomerate. Now, based on the ingredients composition, this one is more of like a multi-layer hydration serum. Okay, so now that we have known the ingredients, I am going to be telling you the core differences between these two face serums. Okay, now if you have not liked this video at this point, kindly hit the like button and also leave a comment and subscribe to the channel if you have not. Okay, we have a target of hitting 100k subscribers this year 2026. I cannot achieve that without you, so thank you for subscribing, liking and sharing this video to someone that this video is going to help to make the right decision when buying hyaluronic acid face serum. So now we are talking the real difference. We are starting with this first. So this is the Face Fact Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum. Okay, this particular one focuses on hydration and skin repair support because of the ingredients it contains. Now, I said it contains betaine. Now, betaine helps your skin to retain moisture and also reduce dryness. Also, arginine supports skin repair and elasticity. Now, Estelin here has 3 forms of hyaluronic acid, 3 different types of hyaluronic acid. So that means that this one is going to give you instant plumping on your skin and long-lasting hydration. Meanwhile, this particular one is slightly more nourishing and more conditioning to your skin. So now let's go on a quick comparison between them. Pay attention. Now, Face Fact focuses on hydration plus repair. Estelin focuses on deep hydration of your skin. Face Fact is slightly more conditioning, while Estelin Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum is a lightweight gel. Now, Face Fact's key strength to your skin is skin support, while Estelin Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum's key strength is multi-level skin hydration. Face Fact is better for sensitive skin. Estelin is okay for sensitive skin, but there is a but to it. It's because it has more additives that your sensitive skin might react to. Face Fact Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum gives a soft, healthy skin feel, while Estelin Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum gives a plump, dewy skin. Now, who should use Face Fact Hyaluronic Acid Serum and who should use Estelin Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum? Now, use Face Fact Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum if your skin feels weak, dry or damaged. You want hydration plus repair on your skin. You prefer a more comforting serum. Think about it like my skin needs help. any point in time in your skincare routine that you think that my skin needs help, there is something not very okay with my skin, it needs help, go for Face Fact Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum. Now, use Estelin Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum if your skin is dehydrated and dull. You want that plump glass skin glow. You like lightweight gel-like serums. Think about it like, I want that hydrated glow. Go for this particular one. Go for Estelin. If your goal is a hydrated, plumped, dewy skin, go for Estelin Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum. So Face Fact Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum is more like a treatment to your skin, to your face, while the Estelin Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum is more like glow. So the punchline of all of these things that I have explained to bring everything together for you is, if your skin is damaged, go for Face Fact Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum. If your skin is dry, go for Estelin Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum. This will give your skin glow. This will help to hydrate and repair your skin. So I hope this video was helpful and it has helped you to know which one of these two you are supposed to be buying depending on what you want for your skin. Different products, similar ingredients, but different formulations to give you different results. So let me know the hyaluronic acid you have used before. Is it Face Fact? Is it Estelin? Have you used both of them? Which one do you prefer, or which one of them have you used? Do you like it or not? Do you seem like it did something to your skin, or you felt like it was just there? Let me know in the comment section and let's have a conversation. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on our next one.